Maintaining a mobile, active lifestyle has never been easier than with the revolutionary REMO AutoFlex travel scooter from EWheels. This award-winning lightweight scooter is the most powerful long-range automatic folding travel scooter available today. While it's great for indoor use, the REMO AutoFlex is also the perfect travel companion and automatically folds itself in less than 10 seconds with just the push of a button, making travel easy and convenient. Once you get to your destination, just use the wireless controller to unfold the REMO and away you go. The REMO's four-wheel design ensures maximum stability, and its small size makes it easy to get around no matter where you are. It features a non-slip platform and an executive seat with movable armrests to make getting in and out easy, and with a 300-pound capacity, fits most riders with ease. You'll also find easy-to-use electronic controls on the Delta tiller for complete control, along with front and rear lights for extra safety. The REMO is ready to go anytime you are and features a 13-mile operating range and a top speed of 5 miles per hour. Equally at home on grass or pavement, the REMO's tight 44-inch turning radius makes it a breeze to ride anywhere you want to go. And like all EWheels scooters, the EWheels REMO comes with a 3-year warranty and is shipped fully assembled and ready to ride right out of the box. So if you're looking for the perfect scooter to take on the road, look no further than the EWheels REMO AutoFlex travel scooter.